No camera, no photographer. AI modeling agency opens its virtual doors. I actually saw this on Twitter. This was a new thing. They're like, yeah, photo shoot, please.
Yeah.
Put your stuff on my AI models and get selling already. They're perfect. They're perfectly imperfect, which is perfect.
Let me see the fingers.
No.
Let me see the teeth.
Don't get carried away, Will. You don't need it. We don't need that to sell product. It's called Deep Agency, 100% AI generated, and uses the very latest image synthesis models, allowing users to pick a model and choose their pose. Virtual photographers could even choose which camera to use, the time of day, the shutter speed. I presume also the aperture, the amount of bokeh. And virtual cameras, including Fujifilm X-T3, Canon EOS Mark II, and Sony A7. Maybe if you want it to look like it was shot on one of those cameras, or you're mixing this material with stuff that was shot on those cameras.
Oh, man.
It's $29 a month, and users get full access that includes high-quality photos of themselves. Oh, yeah, that's right. You get to also make an AI version of you to do all your own personal modeling work.
Dude, we should try this.
Huh? $29 a month?
Yeah. And I look like this?
Well, you're never looking like that.
Makeup and everything?
Don't get carried away here, Will. You're going to look better, but you're not going to look that good.
Yeah.
Let's not get carried away here. People are saying, why is this even a thing? Well, I mean, having modeling images is expensive, I guess. And
takes time.
You can't quickly get the asset you're looking for as you're building the website or the e-commerce or the marketing campaign or whatever it is. So you just go full AI.
I see fingers.
Well,
they don't look great.
2, 3, 4. Well, there's the right number, but yes,
that's a
big
giant,
hand. That's a big hand.
Giant hand.
That's a big hand on that lady. I'm not saying. I mean, she might have a big hand. Yeah, no.
Oh, there's another one.
Will, you stop it now, all right? You better stop it looking around like that for hands. Will is AI's worst nightmare. He's like, I'll spot you. I'll track you down.
Yeah, give me the fingers.
Danny Postman is the Dutch entrepreneur that's behind Deep Agency, marketing it to social media influencers, marketers, and e-commerce product photography. Well, there you go. Pretty much nailed it. This tweet has received 22 million views and a generally negative reaction. Well, yeah.
Well.
Photographers and models are like, hey, man, excuse me. And other people are just like, I don't buy it. I'm not going to be influenced by these fake AI-generated influencers. And other people are like, what's a data set, man? Why do these people look like other people?
Yeah.
Sort of.
This is the most convincing I've seen. Like Mid-Journey, Stable Diffusion, they always have a very surreal look. But these ones, they look like a portrait, a straight-up portrait.
Are you saying they look like people, Will?
Except for fingers.
Are you saying that those two people look like people?
Yeah.
Those AI-generated...
It's very convincing.
People look like people?
Dude. Yeah, we should try this, eh?
All right. Okay, deal.
Let's go.
Yeah, we got it. You got it. Can I put some Kirkland on there?
Yes, definitely.
You need some Kirkland on those guys.